Hello, I'm Cherilynn Castleman, Harvard instructor, executive sales coach, and AI sales strategist. I'm so excited to be coming to Egypt to teach the same frameworks I teach at Harvard and with Fortune 500 sales organizations in the United States. Let me be clear. This is not another sales training. This is a roll up your sleeves, bring your laptop or tablet, hands-on working session. What we're going to be doing is using AI to do the real work of sales leadership. Forecasting you can trust, pipelines you can manage, deals that move faster, teams that perform more consistently. Here's what you'll learn: how to use AI to prepare better, prioritize smarter, coach more effectively, and lead with confidence in a market that, as we all know, is moving fast. This is practical, it is direct, it is advanced. You will leave with tools, workflows, and a clear plan to shorten sales cycles, exceed quota, and connect more deeply with your customers. If you carry a number, lead a team, or are responsible for growth, come ready to work. I look forward to seeing you.